How to get double XP in Duolingo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a double XP boost in your Duolingo. So let us get started. Now, there are different ways that you can get a boost or a double XP on your Duolingo. The first is you will need to earn a crown. Now, you can get a crown by simply completing a crown level. When you do so, you will get an XP boost for the first crown. Now, to earn another, you'll just need to wait till the boost expires or the boot expires. Now, that is the first way. The second way is by getting an early bird reward. Now, to get an early bird reward, what you'll need to do is you'll need to complete lessons on mobile between 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is the early bird's reward, and it will give you about 15 minutes of double XP. And it can be used between 6 p.m. and 12 p.m. Now, those are the ways that you can get a double boost or your boost XP boost on your Duolingo. And I hope this video helped you. That is basically it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.